Hi, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to register for NRI account and be able to get started. So before the registration, there are some things you need to do, and the first thing is you have to first of all come over. This is my back office. I just logged in. You first of all have to click on these three hamburger buttons. You can see these three buttons at the top, right? Then you come to finance. Can you see finance? You scroll down to fund transfer. On fund transfer, you simply click on it. It's going to bring you two options. So what you do is to click on fund static accounts. Once you click on it, it's going to show you your auto-generated account. But in case it's your first time here, they may ask you to generate account. There will be a button that will say click to generate account. Once you click, it's going to generate the account, and then it's going to show you this, right? So this is the first step in your registration. Once you have your account, once you have the account number displayed to you this way by coming to finance, fund transfer, fund static account. Once you have it, go ahead and transfer whatever amount you need. Don't forget to include the 6,000 for registration and then the package amount. So for example, if you want the executive package, you need to send 480,000 naira plus 6,000 naira for the registration, right? So registration is 6,000 and then your package fee is 480,000 naira. So once you do that, the next thing to do is to click on the back to back dashboard. Then you go back to the same button, right? Then scroll down, click on the same finance, then click on registration. This is the next step. So on registration, you make sure to get all the details you need. Let me just quickly explain this. So your username is the username you want the person intends to use. So for example, for me, my name is Slush. In case you try moving forward and they tell you username not available, it means that the username has already been used by someone else. So what you need to do is to try, maybe you may want to add number, you may want to change something else, right? Sponsor, this is the person that is going to be paid the commission for your registration. So make sure you're very careful. Make sure you carefully enter, because once you do this, you cannot omit it again. You cannot undo it. So please be very careful. Placement is where the person appears on the tree. This is where the person falls on the tree. So don't be confused. Sponsor is basically the person who will be rewarded for bringing the person. So if I introduce Mr. Ben, I'm going to be the sponsor. If I've already filled up my two, the placement may likely go to under any of the two. So if I leave it on the left, it's going to fall under the person on my left. Mr. Ben will fall under the person under my left. If I put the right, you have to fall under the person on my right. Do you understand? So once you do that, you can just go ahead and click on next. So give me a little while. I'm going to fill up the space and then I'll continue the video. Okay, so I've filled the details. So make sure that the username appears with the full name of the person and also the placement, because if you don't do that, then this person may end up falling somewhere. So please always make sure sponsor again is the person who introduced the person. So if I introduce you to the business, my username should be on the sponsor, right? So when you're done, you click on next. And just wait for it to load. Okay, so just hold on. All right, so this is the next form again. I'm going to fill the form and then we'll proceed to the next page. So just follow me. All right, so after you fill the form, the next thing to do is to scroll down. Make sure everything is correct, especially the bank details. Once it's correct, you click on next, and also your password as well. Okay, so now don't forget, remember I said the first step is to deposit the money. So for this package, we are doing the 26,000 naira package. We've reviewed everything is correct. The transaction password has been listed here because you can make your payment through the transaction wallet. So the next thing is to tick on this little box and then you click on register. Can you see register? Okay, once you register, instantly the account has been registered. So the next thing to do again is come here, click on finance, then come to activate a package. Once you do that, it's going to allow you to be able to select the product. First of all, you need to verify. So to verify, we need to get the same username we just created now. So we said it's Harry NRI. So you click on verify. Make sure the name is the same as what you entered. As in this case, you can see it's the same. Then you click on next. You can see how simple it is. So it says your partner selection is your package selection is partner. So it's time for us now to select packages worth this amount, right? So you do your mathematics, and then once you're able to come up with the amount, what's the equivalent, right, that you're good to go. Okay, so remember you have to select products what the exact amount of a package you're going for. So in this case, we're going for 4 D3 and 2 oil. So watch me as I go ahead and place the order. So you come over here, this is the 3. I'm going to click on D3, click on this select. As you can see, click select on D3. It's going to add to cart. So once it add to cart, you scroll down. Okay, this is it. So can you see? So I'm adding 3. Come over here to this little button and then click on 3, then click on add to cart. It's going to automatically add to cart. Okay, that's added 3 already. Permit me to just add one more. Let 3. I'm going to just add one more to make it 4 D3 products. Okay, so now I'm going to add the oil as well. So select. Okay, I'm going to click on 3 here, add to cart. In case you want to alter the cart, just come over here, you see delete. Just simply click on delete by the left side. As you can see here, it's going to take it out. Once you do that, your total will be summed, and then you'll be able to see the total you need here. Alright, so as you can see, our products have been added successfully. Remember I said if you want to take out anything, just click on the delete button by the left here, just below the cards. Right, so once you do that, you can see now the total amount is 20,000, the total BV is 50,000, is 50. Now you click on next. You click on next, it's going to take you to the next page. So it's saying mode of payment, again, is the same transaction wallet. This is why, remember, you need to deposit the money first into your account before you proceed. So again, just confirm. Once you do that, you just click on purchase and it's instant. You're going to see purchase successful. That's all. Your account has been registered and activated successfully. It's so easy. It's been automated. You can do this even by 3 a.m. in the morning. You can do it. You can do it anytime. You can see purchase completed successfully. That's all. Now, to be able to know, all you need to do is just go and check up. You will notice that the money has been taken out of your account. You can see my account is now 0, the transaction wallet is 0, and then in terms of BV, you will notice that the BV has increased. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to comment or drop me a message, and I'll do my best to make sure I get back to you. Thank you for watching.